How to download AliExpress video. So you just have to go to your AliExpress account and look for a specific video that you wanted to download. For example, this one here. Now all you have to do is to go to that video and then right click and then look for inspect. Okay, you just have to scroll down and tap inspect. Now, of course, once you tap that one, you can see here highlighted area, but you have to go here on the upper side, tap this one where you can see the word video. And then here, all you have to do is simply drag and copy this HTTPS, I mean the video link. But if you can't copy the link of the video, you can just copy this highlighted area here or this part. Okay, click copy. Now you can open a notepad if you want or find any tool here in where you can paste this URL. Okay, you just have to paste this one here and then just copy the part where you can see HTTPS app to Google Chrome. Okay, so let me find it first and then I will copy. Okay, so you just have to simply copy this part, HTTPS app to Chrome, and then right click, copy. Now open a new tab and then paste it here till you see or till it turned blue, something like that. Okay, so here it is. Now you just have to click this one and here we go. This is the video and all you have to do is to click this three dots here to download. Click download and wait as it is downloading and then go to the folder, tap this one. Then there you can see your downloaded video. As easy as that. Now you can watch the video or use it somewhere. Thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.